build a secure retirement income without a pension or job? If your job or pension disappeared tomorrow, would you still be okay? For years, we were told to work hard, stay loyal to our employers, and one day we'd retire comfortably, right? But here's the truth. That promise has disappeared. Pensions are being reduced or eliminated. Companies are downsizing. And even if you've been loyal for decades, one corporate decision can end your entire income overnight. And Social Security, it's not designed to replace your full paycheck. It never was. So, what's the answer? It's not working until you're 80. It's not taking a part-time job that you hate. It's building an income stream that you can control. One that runs whether you're working or not. Here's the 3-part framework that works even if you're starting from scratch. For starters, choose a model that's low cost and low risk. Digital products or services that you can run from home. Second, automate as much as possible so your business works even when you're with family or traveling, enjoying your life. And third, build a scalability so you can grow from one small side income to something that fully covers all your expenses. The urgency here is real. The longer you wait, the less runway you have to build security before you need it. I've seen so many people get caught off guard, forced to sell their homes, go back to work, or drain savings because they didn't prepare. Don't wait for your employer or the government to save you. Forget that. If you start today, even with just a few hours a week, you could have a reliable income stream by the time the next holiday season rolls around, which is around the corner. I've laid out the exact steps I follow in my own business. You can see them for yourself at my website below, Holly Pring Daily Pay. Check it out. It's free to explore. If you have questions, reply back and put it in an email, and I respond to each and everybody's questions and emails.